If CapCut is giving you an initialization error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you 3 quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a great troubleshooting guide if CapCut won't open properly, gets stuck on startup, or keeps showing that annoying initialization message on Windows. Make sure to watch all the way through, because the last fix is the cleanest one if the first 2 do not work. And if this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. First, let's try launching CapCut directly from the installation folder. Open File Explorer and go to the main CapCut install location on your PC. In most cases, this will be inside your Program Files folder or wherever you installed the app. Once you find the folder, look for the actual CapCut.exe file. This is important because you want to open the real application file, not just a shortcut that may be broken. Right-click on CapCut.exe and choose Run as Administrator. Running it with admin permissions can often fix startup issues caused by blocked access, missing privileges, or a bad shortcut. If CapCut opens normally this way, then the issue may simply be with how the app was launched before. If that still does not work, move on to the next fix. The second method is to temporarily disconnect from the internet. This may sound unusual, but some users find that CapCut initializes better when it starts offline. So disconnect your PC from Wi-Fi or unplug the Ethernet cable if you are using a wired connection. After you are fully offline, launch CapCut again and wait for it to load. In some cases, the app will open successfully once it is not trying to connect during startup. If CapCut loads properly, you can reconnect to the internet after it opens. This is a simple workaround, and it is especially useful when the error is related to network checks, login syncing, or startup communication problems. If you are still seeing the initialization error, then the best option is to reinstall CapCut using the official web installer. First, uninstall CapCut completely from your PC. Go to Windows Settings, Open Apps, then Installed Apps, and remove CapCut from the list. After that, go to the official CapCut website and download a fresh installer. Make sure you only use the official source so you avoid corrupted or outdated files. Once the installer finishes downloading, right-click it and run it as administrator. This helps ensure the installation has the proper permissions and installs cleanly. A fresh reinstall often fixes damaged program files, broken updates, and startup errors that keep CapCut from initializing correctly. Once the install is complete, open CapCut again and check whether the problem is gone. In most cases, one of these 3 methods will get CapCut working again. So to recap, first launch CapCut directly from the file location as administrator, then try starting it while temporarily offline, and if needed, do a clean reinstall using the official web installer. If this video helped you fix the CapCut initialization error, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.